My name is John Brown, and I am here to defeat slavery. They say I am insane.
John Brown weren't normal, but I was gonna stick by the captain, same as he always stuck by me. Crazy as he may be. I ain't never been shot at till I met you. Truth be told, I ain't seen a person murdered till I met you.
I would stay off that subject entirely.
As gunfighters of the gospel, we are allowed a few indulgences.
Tell me, how many are in his army?
Damn near 10, I guess?
10?
10.
You counted 10? That's not even a dozen!
I don't like this. Old man, the cheese has slid all the way off your biscuit.
We're gonna start a revolution.